Remember the day my mother lift up the empty flower pan. Not one grain left. She look pan we, wipe her eye, her hand pan her frock, and say, "Picnic, come, we are go pray." No flower, but full of faith. By evening, a neighbor knock on the door. A whole bag of flower in a them hand. Prayer move mountain and flower pan too. Listen to me. Mama did have it hard, but at the same time, Mama faith was bigger than a mustard seed. Mama, when she no have it, she always put her hand on her jaw and say, "The Lord will provide." Sometimes, all when night near fi come down, nothing. Picnic fi feed. Picnic a ball, baby a ball. Nothing. Mama did have it rough. Sometimes Mama cook a little soup. Mama no have no meat fi put in her soup, you know. But then have one something like callaloo. And when she pick it and put in her soup, vegetarian style. You see sometime when Mama roast the breadfruit, and Mama not have no salting to eat with the breadfruit. All Mama do is cook up little tomato. In a them time they did little tomato, you know. Them call it tomatoes. And you eat it with the breadfruit. And when you eat it with the breadfruit, you lick your finger. Nobody can tell you so you never have salting for yam. And then you get it with little bush tea, you know. Is either little fasten pan coat, peppermint, or little sorosy. Them the time the sorosy did bitter, you know. One taste you taste it, you know. You no want the sorosy if you drink. You take your time and dash away. Empty pan. Empty hand. But heart full of prayer. And by evening, blessing overflow. Flower bag, drop at the doorstep. Then we start to smile. When life feel empty, remember, prayer still work. Prayer still full belly. Empty flower pan. Faith moves mountain. Small blessing. Big miracle. Small muscle. Thankful receive. Me tell me mother say, me no like to see when she a cry. And me no like when nothing no in her house. So me promise her that when me start work, me a go do everything to make she happy. And me a go buy food put in her house. That she never run out again. And her flower pan never empty. Me get big. And me start to work. Me make sure go wholesale. Go buy 25 pound of flour, 25 pound of sugar, and 25 pound of rice. And buy meat. Yes. And buy up some little tin something. When my mother see me a come, my mother say, Melody, God bless you. God bless you. At least we have food for eat. You see, when me come America, me make sure send barrel, food, send clothes, everything when me know my mother need and want. So when me go Jamaica, after me in the shadows here, every day I pray God and thank God for mama. Because one thing me know for sure, say mama teach us that if a one banana you have, you eat it and satisfy. Be contented with what you have. And no look to nobody for nothing. No long your yaya for people things. And not try to put your heart where you can't reach it. So that instill within me. And she said, no ready you hire for people things. What you don't have, do without. Because the Lord will provide. And not tell nobody when you go through your hardship, do not tell anybody where you are beer. Because sometime mama would have sing, nobody knows the trouble I bear. Nobody knows what I'm going through. But me I go through it with God by my side. That's why mama love this song to sing. What a friend we have in Jesus. And the two little sisters was walking one day down by the dark riverside, singing, the Lord will provide. And I live with that very thought, knowing, no matter my struggle, the Lord will provide. So, when I went to Jamaica, I make sure she love patty. So I buy patty for her. And she love our beef soup. So they have this place that sell the beef soup. Say, I gotta remind mama that when Saturday come, mama always love to drink soup once a week. And you see when it come on to Christmas, and my sibling that was abroad before me in Canada send money, mama make sure no say she go cook a pot of beef soup. Up till this day, mama love her beef soup. So when she get the beef soup, you know man, she glad. Her glad bag boss. When mama start drink up the soup, I say, mama, when me reach to the place, you know, the meat done. And no meat, no in our soup. But just to bring back memories, I mean, know you love your pea soup. Me make sure buy it. I'll do no meat, no in I. Because me know you not go fussy. Say, Melody, you know me want the soup. And the soup me want to drink most of all. Because everything of the meat, you just boil out in the soup. You see, sometimes when me talk about the old time memory, sometimes I bring tears to my eyes because I am having my moment with this. Because it taught me how to be humble. How to make use of what you have. Sometimes a little bit of flour and it have a need for stretch. Sometimes when you can't need the round dumpling, you have to need spinners. Everybody get a light. Yes. That the time there, all when they buy 2 ounces of saltfish, 2 ounces of saltfish share for all 6 siblings. Lord, may you bless my mother. Keep her strong. Cover her, anoint her. And Mama love her prayer and love her God. Even today, every day my mother pray for every children and grandchildren that she have. Mama, we are going to enjoy the days. Sometimes she'll call on the phone. Mama on the phone. What go on, Melody? We are going with? We chip chat. Nice. My siblings and I are very close. We chip chat. We laugh. We join call. Canada, America, Jamaica. Yes. Down memory lane to the good old days. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. Feel free. Thank you for your love and your support.